Precautions for coronavirus. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is a very deadly virus which is killing lakhs of people all over the world. If proper measures are not taken, we may fall in big trouble. So we should follow preventive measures to keep us safe. What precautions should we take? Wash your hands properly, follow social distancing, avoid handshake, cover your mouth, follow guidelines of government and use masks. Wash your hands. Hand washing is the number one tip for preventing the spread of this deadly virus. Following social distancing. Social distancing means that we stay at home as much as possible, and if it is necessary to go outside, we must maintain a gap of 6 feet with others. Avoiding handshake and following Namaste can prevent transmission of this virus from one person to another. Cover your mouth. We should cover our mouth while coughing or sneezing so that germs are not propelled in air. We should never cover our mouth with hands. Following government instructions. Our government is taking many steps to prevent the transmission of this disease, and we should also take these rules seriously and follow lockdown. Always wear a mask. We should wear masks if we go outside to prevent the spread of this deadly virus to some extent. Stay home, stay safe. As the cases of corona are rapidly increasing, we must stay home as long as possible to prevent its transmission and break the chain. Creating awareness among people. As it is a new disease and people are not aware of it, it is important that we keep all safety and make people aware to stay at home. We should also follow immunity boosting tips given by Ayush Mantralaya. All the doctors, nurses, police officers have come forward to defeat this virus and protect people. We should also cooperate with our nation and in this situation.